If you have a house in Perrysburg, Ohio, and you're looking to sell it fast, easily, and conveniently for a fair price, this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perrichin, and for over 14 years, I've been buying houses in and around Perrysburg, Ohio, and people love working with me and my team here because we're going to keep it extremely easy for you. The way that we do that is we're a true as-is buyer. What as-is means is you never have to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, you don't need to haul anything away. The conversation with you is very simple. You can take anything that you want out of the house. Anything that you don't need, you could just leave behind. We'll dispose of it or donate it so you don't have to lift a finger. You don't got to order a dumpster. You don't got to do anything. We want to keep it as simple as possible for you. And since we're an as-is buyer, we're a cash buyer. And that means there's no third-party approval needed. So when you're working with a traditional buyer who's using a mortgage company or some kind of bank or a lender, this bank is going to need an appraisal. They're going to need a formal inspection on the house. And what happens if the bank or the lender that this traditional buyer is using wants you to do remedies or repairs before they'll close? You are completely at the mercy of this mortgage company or this lender because they won't give the money for the transaction unless you do certain things and jump through hoops. You don't have to deal with any of that when you're selling your Perrysburg home here to us, and we're going to keep it simple. There's no lender involved. It's a cash transaction, and that means we can close on your timeline. So if you need to close quickly, we can accommodate those needs. If you need more flexibility and you're thinking, you need to set a future date or you need to find a new place or whatever the case may be, we can be flexible if need be. So when you call myself and our team here, our number is 614-300-5151. We're going to keep the conversation very simple. We just need to know more about the house and know more about what timeline you're working with. Then we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property. If the offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. We're going to communicate very effectively with you the entire time. If our offer doesn't work for you for any reason, we'll simply shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be some added pressure and fake urgency. And no, we're going to treat you like a neighbor. We are here in Ohio. This is not some foreign call center in a distant land who's playing games and wasting your time. We're serious buyers. We love Perrysburg, and we'd love the opportunity to speak with you and at least share your options. No pressure, no obligations. So our phone number, once again, is 614-300-5151. Our website is www.sellhousecolumbus.com. And even though it's Columbus in the website name, we're very active in the Toledo market. Perrysburg we love, and that's just too good of a website to give up, right? So we're based out of Columbus. We're founded in Columbus for over 14 years. So we're statewide. We're all over, from Toledo to Cleveland to Cincinnati to Youngstown, Dayton, you name it, Mansfield. We're here. We love Ohio, and we love the opportunity to speak with you as well. So our phone number, once again, 614-300-5151. Website is sellhousecolumbus.com. We buy houses in their as-is condition in Perrysburg and surrounding areas. And my name is Dave Perrichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.